Welcome. If you're looking to engage more with your Pinterest audience, allowing comments on your pins is a great way to start. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable comments on your Pinterest pins using the Pinterest app. It's quick, straightforward, and will help you connect better with your followers. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This takes you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your pins and boards live. Next, look for the option called Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest lets you manage who can interact with your content and how. Tap on Social Permissions to open the settings related to comments and other social features. Now, you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Comments on Your Pins. Simply switch this toggle on. This action enables other users to leave comments on your pins, opening up a new channel for feedback, questions, and conversations around your content. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've made your Pinterest pins more interactive and welcoming. Allowing comments can boost engagement, help you build a community, and even inspire new ideas based on the feedback you receive. Remember, you can always go back and toggle this setting off if you want to pause comments for any reason. Pinterest gives you full control over how you want to manage your content and interactions. So, to recap, open the Pinterest app, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the top, select Social Permissions, and toggle on Allow Comments on Your Pins. It's that easy to start a conversation with your Pinterest audience today. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your community on Pinterest.